Cars are most afraid of these things. There are scratches on the car. Squeeze on the toothpaste. Rub it hard with a towel. As long as the primer is not exposed, scratches can be wiped off. Spending money to paint your car is totally unnecessary. There is a creaking noise when opening and closing the car door. We take out the soap and wipe it back and forth at the position of the limiter. In this way, the sound disappears. The car has been driven for a long time, and the hubs have become yellow and dark. Pour some toilet cleaner on it and rinse it with water. The wheel hub will be like new. In rainy days, the rearview mirror accumulates water. Take out a potato. Wipe the rearview mirror back and forth. That way the rearview mirror won't get water in again. The headlights of the vehicle will turn yellow and black. In fact, headlights are most afraid of beer and cola. Wipe it with a towel, and the headlights will be like new. When driving in winter, the windshield washer fluid freezes. Pour some vodka in it. That way even if it snows, it won't freeze. The new car I just bought has a strange smell. We poke a few holes on the soap box and place it in the air outlet. A few cents will last you years. The wiper can't clean the glass, which affects the line of sight. Let's drip the dish soap on the windshield. The glass becomes particularly transparent. Follow Xiao Qiao and make a friend who knows about cars.